Our purpose as readers this week is to support our theme. What is theme? The lesson or message. The lesson or message is what does the author want you to learn? Whatever the author wants us to learn makes you a better person. I can identify evidence to support my theme. We are going to start with a familiar book that we have read already, Fun at School. Let's reread Fun at School. Now that we have reread Fun at School, let's go back to our graphic organizer to record our key details that support our theme. Throughout each page of Fun at School, we see friends learning at school together. The lesson the author wants us to learn that will make us a better person is learning at school with friends can be fun. So we need to go back to the story to support this theme with evidence. Learning at school with friends can be fun. When we go back into the text, we see in the photograph, a friend has a smile on his face. And there is one student and two students. That means that they are reading books at school together. And they're enjoying it. We can tell because there's a smile on our friend's face. And the words say, we read books at school. That supports learning with friends at school can be fun. We also have this photograph where there's two friends together. They both have smiles on their faces, and the text says, we write stories at school. This also supports learning at school with friends can be fun. Let's record that on our graphic organizer. We read books and write stories at school. This evidence from the text supports learning at school with friends can be fun. We can go back into the text to find more evidence that supports our theme. If I look at this photograph, I see two friends next to each other painting. This friend looks very focused, and this friend has a smile on her face. That tells me as a reader that they're learning with their friends at school and they're having fun. The text says, we paint pictures at school. Let's see what other evidence there is to support learning at school with friends can be fun. Here I see 5 friends together singing at school. And I see this girl in the background and her eyes are smiling. Remember how we talk about even though under our mask we can't see our mouth, but we can see when our eyes smile. That shows me that learning this song together at school can be fun. And then our text says, we sing songs at school. Let's look on. We have friends in a photograph eating lunch. And look at these two girls who have smiles on their faces. We eat lunch at school. Believe it or not, we even learn how to eat our lunch respectfully at school. So that also supports learning at school with friends can be fun. Let's go back to our graphic organizer to record our details. We paint pictures, sing songs, and eat lunch at school. We need one more box in our graphic organizer completed. Let's read on. We have 3 friends together. Looks like they're playing a game, and the words in the text support that. We play games at school. That supports learning with friends at school can be fun. Here are 2 friends in the photograph making stick puppets, and look at their faces. It shows them smiling, so that tells me that they are enjoying each other's company. Our text says, we make puppets at school. That tells me that these friends are learning and having fun. Then on our last page, we have 2 friends smiling together. And the text says, we make friends at school. So we also learn how to make friends at school. Let's record these details on our graphic organizer to support our theme. We play games, make puppets, and make friends at school. All of these 3 key details support our theme, learning at school with friends can be fun. Today, you are going to read the book at school on this computer. When we are reading at school, we want to be thinking about how we can support our theme. Our theme today is learning at school can be fun. You will read to record 1, 2, 3 details that show learning at school can be fun.